Hey, Stu Sterling here from Japan. Thanks for tuning in. So, split testing. Are you doing it? And does it really work? Alright, we're here at my website, turnkeykashkids.com. This is one of my kind of flagship websites. I've had it for years, probably 10 years maybe. It's gone through a lot of changes, a lot of updates, and one thing I'm kind of constantly changing is the front opt-in page, trying to keep it fresh. So for a long time I was kind of running a landing page like this, kind of, you know, the typical I don't know, typical kind of membership sign up squeeze page, and it was doing pretty good. Okay, so you know, it's got the opt-in form in the top fold here, and then it's got a couple of bullet points, testimonials, so it's kind of a long squeeze page, you know, and lots of text on it, but it's I felt it was a little bit kind of too typical, too kind of membership site like, and even though it was converting okay, I wanted to see if a totally different style would do better. So I know in the past from a lot of my other testing is that usually like really ugly kind of really plain quick squeeze pages often work a lot better. So I went out and just threw together a totally different looking squeeze page which looks like this. Now this is it. This is the whole thing. There's nothing below this. There's no testimonials. All I've got is basically a headline and bullet points and the opt-in form. So the surprising thing is that when I split tested them using Convertri here, 1,000 visitors, 1,100 visitors approximately each, and the blue one got 10% conversion, 113 subscribers, and the good old typical sign up form, sign up page got 8%. Now it's pretty close, but over 1,000 visitors, I've gotten, how many is that? 24 extra subscribers through this one. So it was kind of interesting. I thought it would be very close, and it kind of is close, but I thought maybe this one would be just slightly marginally better, but it appears to be quite a lot better. So what I'm going to do now, the thing with Convertri is that you can't track kind of which sales come from which page. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to run these two pages through ClickMagick, which is conversion tracker and, you know, click counter and all that kind of thing. Very good tool. Highly recommend ClickMagick and Convertri as well for building pages really quick. I mean, this one took seriously like 20 minutes, and this one took a couple of hours, and I was always tweaking it, trying to make it cool. But this one, straight to the point, it literally took me like 20 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to run these both through ClickMagick, and with ClickMagick you're able to track not only just opt-ins but also engagements, so you can see which how many clicks you get to your checkout page, and then Also sales conversions, you can track how many people actually purchase and go to your download page. So I'm gonna do that next, and then we'll see which squeeze page is actually more profitable, because that's what really matters. I mean, this could, at first sight, this page looks like, oh, this is a winner, but conversions don't mean that it's more profitable. Okay, we have to track all the way to the sale. So that's what I'm going to do next. So tune in for the next part, where I give you a little more insight about which page is actually more profitable. So you got to hold your horses a little bit before you decide which is better. Even though this gets more front-end opt-ins than this one, we don't know yet which is converting into sales, because you might be surprised, maybe this one, because it's, you know, got more information, it gets better quality leads, perhaps. This one might be more profitable. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is Stu Sterling. Catch me in the next video to get more about this. Thanks a lot. Catch you later.